Hello and welcome to today's Trigger 2-minute tutorial. Today I'm going to be talking to you about the sidebar panel. Now the sidebar panel allows you to have cue buttons that are visible all the time no matter what cue sheet is selected. So I have a project here which has 8 tracks. Each track is broken down into 5 different stems, and the 8 tracks are spread across 2 cue sheets. Each track, or the 5 stems of each track, are fired with these trigger buttons on the left hand side. And each stem is faded up or revealed with these trigger buttons on this 3rd cue sheet. And it's these trigger buttons that I want to make available on a sidebar panel. And the way we add a sidebar panel is, or make it visible, is we go to View, Show Sidebar Cue Panel here. And now you'll see that on the left hand side of my cue sheet, a new panel has been displayed. And the way we add cue buttons to that is we simply drag from the tag section of each cue button onto the sidebar cue panel. And you'll notice we can also add them by right-clicking on the tag section of the cue button and going Show on Sidebar. In fact, we can toggle them on and off in that way as well. So for now, I'll go ahead and add these final trigger buttons onto the sidebar panel. Now these are all trigger buttons, but remember you could have audio buttons or any type of button on the sidebar panel, and they become clones effectively of the main cue buttons that are on the cue sheet. And now you'll see that I've added those buttons. If I select any cue sheet, those buttons will always be available. And we can demonstrate this. I don't worry too much about the ins and outs of this particular project, but you can see that we can play our track and reveal each stem in turn like that. And then we can use this trigger button to fade the whole track out. If we right click on the sidebar panel, you can see we got options to clear all the buttons off the sidebar panel and hide the sidebar panel as well. We can also make the buttons a little bit bigger, as you could see from that button option there. Okay, I hope you've enjoyed today's 2-minute tutorial. If you did, please give me a thumbs up on YouTube, and I hope you'll join me next time.